If you're planning a trip and want to save money on accommodation, Booking.com is one of the best platforms to find affordable hotels and stays. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find cheap hotels on Booking.com step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for hotels, compare prices, and use a few simple features that help you get the best deals available. First, open your web browser and go to the Booking.com website, or open the Booking.com mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see the main search bar. Start by entering the city or destination where you want to stay. After that, select your check-in and check-out dates. Then choose the number of guests and rooms you need. Once everything is filled in, click the search button to see the available hotels and accommodation. Booking.com will now show you a list of hotels, apartments, and other stays in your selected destination. To find cheaper options, start by sorting the results by price. This will show the lowest price hotels at the top of the list. You can also use filters on the left side of the page to narrow down your search. For example, you can filter by price range, property type, guest rating, or distance from the city center. Using these filters helps you quickly find hotels that match your budget. Another helpful step is to check guest reviews and ratings. Sometimes a slightly cheaper hotel may have lower ratings, so reading reviews can help you avoid unpleasant surprises. Look for hotels that have good ratings and positive feedback while still fitting within your budget. You should also look for deals and special offers. Many properties on Booking.com offer discounts such as limited time deals or special member prices. If you create a free Booking.com account, you may also get access to additional discounts on certain hotels. When you find a hotel that looks good, click on it to view more details. You'll be able to see photos, amenities, room options, and cancellation policies. Choose the room type you want and click the Reserve or Book Now button. Then enter your details and confirm the booking. Some hotels require payment in advance, while others allow you to pay at the property. Summary: in this tutorial, we covered how to find cheap hotels on Booking.com by searching destinations, sorting results by price, using filters, checking guest reviews, and looking for special discounts. These simple steps can help you quickly find affordable accommodation that fits your travel budget. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.